In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate two-step authentication, also known as 2FA, on Shopify. This is a crucial tutorial if you're looking to adjust your security settings or simply need to turn off the extra layer of security for a temporary period. To begin, you'll first want to access your account settings within Shopify. Head to your Shopify admin panel, and in the top right corner, you'll notice either your store name or a profile icon. Give that a click, and from the drop-down menu, select Manage Account. Once you've entered the Manage Account section, your next destination is Security. This is where you'll be able to oversee all the privacy and safety settings related to your Shopify account. When you're in the security settings, the task at hand is to locate the two-step authentication section. This is where you'll find all the information pertaining to your current authentication methods. It's the home base for managing these security features, and it's where you'll directly interact with your 2FA settings. Now, it's time to remove the active authentication method. You'll see your current method listed here, whether that's through an authenticator app or SMS. Beside it, there should be a convenient Remove button. Clicking on this will initiate the process of deactivating two-step authentication. To confirm this removal, you'll be prompted to enter your Shopify account password. This step ensures that it's really you making this change, safeguarding against any unauthorized attempts to alter your security settings. Type in your password and then click Next to fully confirm the action. Once you've completed these steps, Shopify will notify you that two-step authentication has been successfully deactivated. You should see a confirmation message giving you the peace of mind that your account settings have been updated as you intended. It's important to keep in mind a few considerations when turning off 2FA. If you deactivate what is currently your primary authentication method, Shopify will automatically shift to the next available backup method as the new primary one. So, ensure you know what backup methods you have in place. Also, remember that you have the flexibility to re-enable two-step authentication later, whenever you feel the need for that additional security measure again. Shopify also provides an option to enforce two-step authentication for all users within your organization through your identity provider. This is a great approach if you're managing a larger team and want to maintain robust security across your entire Shopify environment. That's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to deactivate two-step authentication on Shopify, an essential skill for any Shopify store owner looking to have full control over their account security settings. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials.